how to change cover photo on Facebook without losing likes and comments. So in order to do that, head over right here to your profile icon and then click right here onto your actual profile cover. You can click on this view profile cover, and as you can see, this profile actually has no likes. This one has one like. So if you want to change it, you can head over and click on this camera icon. Click on this select photo on Facebook and not on this upload photo. Click on this. And then from in here, you can head over and click on this uploads. You can also click on albums and then click on this cover photos. Now choose this one because this one has like. So click on this right here and unmark your share update and save it. Now as you can see, this will update your cover photo, and when we click on it right here, you can see that we still have that like and if you have any comment yet. So that's how you change cover photo on Facebook without losing likes and comments. Hope we helped.